Hello everybody and welcome to my video. Sometimes when you're working on Illustrator, you need to get more options of colors, more colors between two specific colors. You need to get more shades of your color or more tints of this color. You have specific colors for a brand and you need to get more options of these colors, shades, tints, or hues between two colors. We can make this with a very fast and easy way in Illustrator. For example, you need to have options between these two colors. You need to get the hues in between these two colors, the red and the yellow. All you need to have is to have the first color in a shape and another shape for the other color. The form of the shape doesn't matter. And the other thing you need here is to make shapes in between these shapes. Like that, the form of the shapes doesn't matter. The colors of the shapes in between also don't matter. So no problem if you change the form of this color, of the shape, change the color, no problem. The most important shapes here are the one in the beginning and one in the end of the row. So all you need to do now to get the different hues between these two colors, the blending of these two colors, is to select all of these shapes and go to edit colors, blend horizontally. You distributed your shapes horizontally, so you will select blend horizontally like that. Oh, you get the blend of these two colors, the red and the yellow. The count of the plants, of the new option of colors, depends on the count of these shapes in between. So if you made 3 shapes, you will get 3 colors. If you made 4 shapes, you will get 4 colors, like that. So now we have 4 new options of colors depending on the blending between yellow and red. What if I need to have options of colors between 3 colors or 4 colors? First, you need to make number of shapes like that. The shape itself doesn't matter. The form of the shape doesn't matter. The colors of the shapes here in between don't matter. So no problem about that. Make another shapes here. Like that. Okay. I need to get the blend of colors between these 3 colors. How can I make that? You cannot select all of those because, as we said before, the colors of the in-between shapes don't matter. So this red color here doesn't matter. Let's see. Select all of these shapes. Go to edit colors, blend horizontally. Oh, as I said, the colors here don't matter. So if you need to get the blend colors between these 3 colors, you need to select 2 by 2 like that. As I said before, the colors here don't matter. So select all of these colors, all of these shapes, and go to edit colors, blend horizontally. Wow, you get what? You get the colors between red and yellow. Second step is select the red color as the first color. The orders of this object doesn't matter. This color before this or not, no problem. The most important is to have the first color in the beginning of the row and the last color at the end of the row, like that. Because if I change it to move the color, the yellow color at the end like that, you will get the blend between red and yellow. Edit color, blend horizontally. Wow, as I said, you got the blending between red and yellow. It makes blending visually by the visual here. Let's select these objects again. Edit color, blend horizontally. You get the blending between red and this dark red or this maroon color. The second trick to learn in this video is to have the shades of one color. I need to have shades of the yellow color. All you need is to have the yellow color and the black color. If you select these two colors and go to edit, edit color, blend horizontally, it doesn't work because you don't have shapes in between. To get blend colors in between two colors, you need to have shapes in between, like that. Okay? The count of these shapes doesn't matter. The colors of these shapes doesn't matter. Also, the order of these shapes or the form of these shapes doesn't matter. Let's arrange them like that. Select all of them. Edit colors, blend horizontally. You got the shades of the yellow color. If you have any other color, you can get the shades of this color by using the black color like that. Make shapes in between, select all of these shapes, edit color, and blend horizontally. All you need is to have this color and the white color, another shape in white color. Go to swatches and use the white color. Make shapes in between like that. Select all of these shapes, go to edit colors, blend horizontally. Wow, you got the tints of the color. What about blend vertically? You can use the blend vertically if you have the shapes distributed vertically like that. Select all of these shapes and go to edit colors, blend vertically. Wow, it's the same result. So if your shapes are distributed vertically, you can use blend vertically, and if these shapes are distributed horizontally, you can use that blend horizontally. So if you need to have the options of colors in between all of these three colors, you should select these two colors first and the shapes in between and make a horizontally blending from edit colors, blend horizontally, and repeat this step with these two colors again. Edit color, blend horizontally. After that, you can select all of these options of colors and go to swatches and add these swatches as group. Okay, like that, you got new options of these two colors or three colors in a very easy and fast way in Illustrator. Enjoy! If you like this video, please click like and subscribe to my channel. And if you have any question, please add it to the comments. Bye bye!